About 2 years ago, in let's call it the early era of LLMs, there was a moment in time where it seemed like the big proprietary labs were basically going to be able to dominate the market forever. They would release their models, they would get the most amount of usage, they would pull in the most amount of data, they would continue to get investment, be able to scale up their GPUs more and more, and no one would be able to catch up with them. But it didn't actually turn out to be the case. The scaling laws didn't work. You can't scale LLMs infinitely. And actually now the labs have gone back to the basic research phase, trying to find improvements. And what's happened in the meantime is the open source community, whereas in the beginning looked irrelevant, is really catching up. And you have models which are open source now that are in some areas even beating out the performance of the proprietary models. And what this means is there's a huge shift in the potential for IP for companies. Eventually, you will want to really consider taking an open source model and not necessarily training it from scratch, but starting to fine-tune the process and build your own proprietary agents. And this will increasingly become an opportunity for you to build new IP value into your business.